Cross thread's as good as a lock nut, but don't want to do that. Well, hello and welcome to an unexpected episode of my Cherokee build series, because I didn't expect to have to do this video on the Cherokee. There's going to be a video this week and a video next week. Next week is going to be maintenance and giving you an idea of what happened and how well the winter stuff did, but this video is a unexpected issue with my electrical system, so without further ado, let's get to it. To a possibility you won't be able to hear me with both cars running, but I was getting ready to film my updates for the what did happen with my winter stuff and maintenance for my Cherokee, and didn't want to start. I checked it, and it had 11 volts, almost 12. I think the alarm might be going bad in this thing finally, but we will see. I gotta run to the store, get some stuff, let it warm up, and then see what happens. Disconnect terminals, pull the clamp, and pull the battery. Hell, this isn't even technically the right battery for this car. It's actually a GM top and side post. You know, I never actually looked at it. It's always started it, so. Well, that's crusty. Oh. Yes, this is going to be a little bit longer job than I expected. It just broke the battery tray. Nothing like a little Michigan rust for you. Thankfully, the rear one comes off nice and smooth. Well, see, there would be some plastic surrounding this, but it's somewhere down there. Oh, good Lord. Yeah, this is right at my ability to lift things, my medical issues, so. Leave you here, take this in, go grab the other battery, and figure out where we're at. See what this one gives me. It's 11, it's been sitting in here since I took it out of the red Jeep, so I think I will switch it. With a shot, it's less work than doing everything on pulling the alarm and doing a whole run diagnostic. This is step one, so we'll go with that. Whew. Thankfully this one has a go handle. And everything in my garage has dirt and dust and metal shavings on it. Can't imagine why. Escape. Yeah, forward escape. Yeah, see, this is actually the battery that's supposed to be in here size-wise. I'm gonna connect it. And the alarm's going to have a cowl probably because it's a new connection. Get the keys out here. Or not. Okay. Long day. It's only like 10 in the morning this long day. I'm not going to tighten it down, I just want everything in place. That's what I was waiting for. Okay. So, sorry for the loud noise. Not much I can do about that part right now. Yeah, cross thread's as good as a lock nut, but don't want to do that. That's better. So when I go junkyard hunting for the Chambler, I will get a battery tray. Although it's Michigan, so they're all going to be the same amount of broken, probably. The one on the two-door was broken. Technically, I need one for the Chambler anyway, so. This means I'm going to have to reset all my radio stations. Crap. See how she does. Well, start it and see. I'm stupid. Well, I'm going to go ahead and hook the jumper up and maybe that'll help. Or I have a dead battery and I'll be pulling the alarm. Well, I bet you the Comanche will start because it almost always does. Fingers crossed. have. It was in the driving fleet runs. I'm gonna let the Comanche charge the Cherokee for just a hair bit, and then I will give it a shot and start it. That Comanche is definitely the best sounding car I've got in my fleet. I have more trouble with the alarm. I'm playing with it. I'll leave you running. Maybe something entertaining will happen. It's been running for about 5 minutes now. I'm going to turn it off and hopefully it restarts. Yeah, it's something with the alarm. I guess I'm not going to that show. That sucks. Could have been another opportunity to get some cars for shorts, which is cool. Meet some more G people and possibly talk to another company about doing a shop tour for my Mystery Make series. Dodge Dart. Dodge Ram. I can't drive it for an hour and take the risk of having this happen because it's 5 cities away from where I am right now. So, oh well. Yeah, this sucks because that thing has been extremely reliable other than a couple little hiccups here and there, but it's never given me any trouble running other than neutral safety switch, but that's a different animal. So I'm gonna get it to run, go drive around the block a couple times and see if it helps any. I don't want to have to take that alarm off if I don't need to, because it's probably gonna have been as poorly installed as the one on the red one. So, fun. Well, let's drove it around the block. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off and see if it'll start like a real car does. Hey! Still too late to go to the show, unfortunately. But it's another company I'll go ahead and get in talks with. It's just easier to actually show up and speak to people in person. It tends to make them more enticed into doing these videos, which is important because I do think that's an important part of my channel. At least it's going to be. It might not be right now, but it will be. Thank you all very much for watching this impromptu Cherokee battery repair video. Like I said, next week on Tuesday will be the maintenance updates and how everything survived this winter, prep and stuff I did. Some good, some bad, some meh. We'll see what happens. Like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see. Shambler stuff every week. Got a new vehicle that just added to the fleet. Actually added it to the fleet. It's going to be a little bit before you see it. Mystery Makes videos coming out. Tons of shorts, dog-related crap. And a live stream every Wednesday at 7 Eastern. Thanks for watching. See y'all next week.